Hey, my name is Caitlin Barnes, and I did a Prezi for my activity 2, and ignore my dog, he's throwing a fit. I did mine on differentiation, and it's just what differentiation is and what it is not. Let's go. Differentiation is an idea as old as effective teaching. It is necessary for students with standards for a broad range of learners. It uses whole group, small group, and individual tasks based on content and students' needs. Lessons are designed around patterns of students' needs, and a student-focused way of thinking about teaching and learning is differentiation, which is going to go into depth, which I didn't do, so just ignore this part right here. Now we're going to look at what differentiation is not. It is not dumbing down teaching for some students. Teachers don't need to dumb down things. They need to still make it complex. Shh. Hush. Timber, stop. Ignore my dog. It's not a synonym for group work. Differentiation is not just specifically group work. It's also not for tracking or grouping students by ability. You don't need to group two smart kids together or two, well, I wouldn't say smart, I would say gifted students. You wouldn't, I mean, you can, but it's not ideal for certain things. Not all students need IEPs. I mean, some do and some don't, but most of them, I don't know, just depends on where you go and your students. IEPs are not mostly for students with identified learning challenges. Differentiation is for everybody. Gosh, Timber. That's about all I have for this recording. Have a great day.